Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to use capture groups to search and replace. Searching is useful, however you can make searching even more powerful when it also changes or replaces the text you match. You can search and replace text in a string using the .replace function on a string. So yeah, you've got your string, so here's your string, and then you're calling that the replace method on that string. The input of replace is the first, the inputs for replace is first the regex, the regular expression or regex pattern you want to search for. The second parameter is the string to replace the match or a function to do something. So here's your fixed regex, which comes into here, and this is the regex which is being shown here, and then the replace text, which is here, currently set to blank. So here, the wrong text is the sky is silver, and you want to replace the silver. So we're gonna, whenever we match silver, then we replace that with blue, and so this would come out to the sky is blue. You can access capture groups in the replacement string with the $sign. So yeah, codecamp.replace, and so when we replace, this is what we're matching is I guess we have our first capture group separated by a space and our second capture group, and so we're matching the two words that are separated by 2, and what we're doing is saying in the string, I guess we put a $sign of a 2 and $1. That makes it so that you take the first capture group and you put it where the second capture group is, and the second capture group where the first capture group is. So write a fixed regex using 3 capture groups that will search for each word in the string 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if we're going to search for each word, we're going to have 3 capture groups using 3 capture groups that will search for each word in the string. And so the way we'll be able to tell that they're separated is with a space. So they're separated by a space and separated by a space. And then how do we know that they're words? We're going to say they're not digits, but word and plus, so that means that we can get them of any length, right? So 1 letter, and then as many other letters follows. For this one's 2. For this one, it's the first word or letter, and then it's however many letters that follow. So this one, it's 4 of letters that follow. We want to do this with each one of these. So I'm going to paste W plus into here. Cool. And then, yeah, I think if we were to say, okay, so we can't really do that yet. 2, 3, and then update the replace text. So we want the replace text to follow this convention. So we're going to come in here and we're going to say 3, $3, separated by a space, $2, separated by a space, $1. And if we were to console.log, the result, 3, 2, 1, and it starts 1, 2, 3. So what we're doing is we're just taking the first group and putting it at the second, and then that, so forth. Let's play around with this. What happens if we go 2, 2, 2? Yeah, then so what we're doing is we're saying replace each one with the second capture group, so with the 2. And so yeah, so we go 3, 2, 1, and that makes it 3, 2, 1 rather than 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Anyways. Hope this passes. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.